How Discord makes money. Discord is a voice and instant message platform. It allows users to communicate via voice with a channel-based system known as Discord server. Its current valuation is around $7 billion. It has raised a total funding of around $60 million to date. Its revenue has increased by more than 23 times in the last 4 years. Let's know that how it generates revenue. Number 1. Nitro subscription. It is a subscription-based service that enhances Discord voice, video and chat. It allows users to set up a personal profile with an animated tag, make animated emotes and upload large files up to 100 MB. Number 2. Game distribution. Game developers can sell their products on this platform and Discord earn a 10% commission on every purchase. Number 3. Server boost. The performance and functionality of the Discord server can be improved using this premium service. User can boost the Discord server to 3 different levels using this premium service. Each level has its different perks. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.